Hey everyone! Welcome back to Tech Magic. Today, we're tackling a common issue many Windows 11 users face with WSL error, file not found. If you're encountering this error, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's fix it together. Open Command Prompt as administrator. And then run this command, WSL, space, unregistered, space, and enter your Linux distribution name. The one you're using. In my case, I'm using Ubuntu, and press enter. Once done, close the command prompt and open your Linux distribution as an administrator. Please wait for the installation to complete. After the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to enter a username, create a password, and confirm it. That's it, your error is fixed. Your WSL should now be running smoothly. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and tips. Have questions or need further assistance? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching Tech Magic.